OpenAI just dropped something. And honestly, this isn't just another version bump or a small fine tune. GPT 5.5 is the first model they've fully retrained from the ground up since GPT-4. We're talking autonomous execution, 1 million tokens in context, and a complete rebuild of the architecture. They're calling it Spud, and it's about to change how you think about AI. So let's look at the numbers. We're seeing massive jumps across the board. On Terminal Bench 2.0, it's hitting 82.7%. That's the gold standard for agentic coding. Whether it's GDPval or OSWorld, GPT 5.5 is the new gold standard. But why does this actually matter? Well, it picks its own tools, executes code in a sandbox, and even verifies its own work to fix errors before you ever see them. This is a true autonomous loop. It's moving from answering questions to actually solving complex problems end to end. Then there's the context window, 1 million tokens. To put that into perspective, that's 8 times the size of GPT-4o. You can drop an entire code base, a massive research library, or a dozen full-length books into one session. And the best part, it maintains perfect needle in a haystack recall across the entire thing. It basically remembers everything. The verdict is simple. We are watching the transition from AI tools to AI agents. GPT 5.5 is the first model built specifically for that autonomous future. We are looking advancement of these model at a rapid pace. Let's see what we get to see in coming days. Subscribe so that you will not miss important AI updates.